In this video, we reimagine the Titanic disaster under the leadership of Pisces, signed to explore the full details of the event and the decisions that shaped its outcome. Don't miss our main video. First of all, we recommend that you watch the main video about the Titanic disaster from the videos on our channel. You can find the video link in the description. Let's rewrite the Titanic's fate with Pisces zodiac sign. A Pisces captain on the Titanic would stand out for their deep emotional intelligence and selfless dedication to the people aboard. In moments of panic, their calm and compassionate demeanor would reassure passengers. No one on this ship is alone. We are all in this together, they might say, fostering unity among passengers and the crew. Their strong empathy would allow them to understand and address the needs of everyone on board, making them both a reliable leader and a source of comfort during the crisis. In times of crisis, the Pisces captain would rely heavily on their intuition to guide their decisions. They would make gut-driven yet inspiring choices, such as deciding which areas of the ship to evacuate first, or how to prioritize limited resources. This feels right. Let's trust this path, they might say, instilling confidence in those around them. Their ability to inspire others would encourage passengers and crew to remain calm and focused. The Pisces captain's empathetic nature would shine as they reassured passengers during moments of panic. They might kneel to a child's level, saying, "Everything will be okay, I promise," while addressing adults with calm yet authoritative words to help them focus on their responsibilities. Acting as both a leader and a guide, they will create an atmosphere of hope and stability, ensuring everyone felt supported. The Pisces captain would prioritize the safety of others over their own, ensuring every passenger was evacuated before considering their own exit. No one will be left behind. "I'll be the last to leave this ship," they might declare, motivating the crew to follow suit. Their selflessness would make them a symbol of hope and heroism, remembered by all who survived. The Pisces captain would show exceptional care for women and children during the evacuation. They would personally ensure every child was safely boarded onto a lifeboat and comfort distressed parents with words of reassurance. "Your safety is my top priority," they might say, focusing on their well-being with meticulous attention to detail. Their gentle yet firm approach would inspire trust and cooperation. The Pisces captain's vivid imagination would enable them to devise creative solutions during the crisis. For instance, they might find innovative ways to utilize the ship's resources to improve the evacuation process or slow the intake of water into the ship. We need to think outside the box. Conventional methods won't save us here, they might say, encouraging the crew to explore alternative strategies. The Pisces captain would build trust and rapport through empathetic communication. They would address the passengers with understanding and sincerity, saying, "I know you're scared, but we're in this together, and we will get through it." This ability to connect on an emotional level would help maintain order and encourage cooperation among those on board. While their empathy would be a strength, the Pisces captain might struggle under the weight of emotional burden. They would feel the pain and fear of those around them, which could slow down their decision-making at times. However, this emotional connection would also deepen their resolve to protect everyone on the ship, turning their sensitivity into a source of strength. The Pisces captain would take an emotional approach to organizing lifeboats. They would prioritize keeping families together and ensuring that elderly passengers were given extra support. Every family should stay together. It's important for their safety and peace of mind, they might say, using their empathy to create a more humane evacuation process. To prevent collision with the iceberg, the Pisces captain would rely on their intuition to make split-second decisions. They might instinctively choose a particular maneuver or course of action, saying, "This feels right. We must try it." While unconventional, their intuitive leadership could lead to surprising and effective outcomes. Throughout the rescue efforts, the Pisces captain would dedicate themselves entirely to the safety of others. They would personally oversee every step of the evacuation, ensuring no one was left behind. "I won't leave this ship until everyone is safe," they might vow, embodying a self-sacrificial spirit that inspired those around them. The Pisces captain's focus on immediate emotional needs might sometimes hinder their ability to develop long-term strategies. However, they will compensate for this by relying on their creativity and ability to think on their feet. "We must focus on each moment. Every second counts," they would assert, using short-term successes to pave the way for broader solutions. The Pisces captain's leadership will be rooted in love, compassion, and care for the people on board. Their emotional connection to the passengers will prevent chaos and foster trust, ensuring that everyone works together. "Love and unity can overcome any challenge," they might say, inspiring hope even in the darkest moments. After the evacuation, the Pisces captain will provide emotional and spiritual support to survivors, helping them stay hopeful and motivated. "We've come this far together. Now we must remain strong," they might say, reinforcing solidarity and resilience among those awaiting rescue. The Pisces captain would reassure passengers with comforting words saying, "We will get through this together," instilling confidence and reducing stress. This sense of security would help streamline the rescue operations and ensure smoother coordination. The Pisces captain will plan the lifeboat arrangements with empathy, considering not only the physical safety of passengers, but also their emotional well-being. By addressing these needs, they would foster a positive and hopeful environment, even under dire circumstances. To prolong the Titanic's survival, the Pisces captain would explore unconventional ideas, such as redistributing weight or using available materials to block water entry. "We can buy more time and save more lives," they might say, combining creativity with determination to protect as many people as possible. If you were the captain, would you embrace the Pisces' emotional and selfless leadership style? Or would you opt for a more analytical and strategic approach? How would you rewrite the Titanic's fate? Explore the stories of other zodiac captains to find your own answer. If you like this video, don't forget to support our channel to keep the content coming. Subscribe, like our videos, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your feedback means the world to us and keeps us motivated. Now, it's time to explore our other videos.